G Slug boys! Ah yeah!
Captain and goals. Let's fucking go.
Aye, some pass. Oh, that's a pure fallen Chinese cunt.
Oops. Oh, there we go.
There you go. He's a high five, whoever it is.
Who's this?
No, Chinese guy left.
Oh,
That
fuck.
cause didn't high five him. I've not got a choice, mate.
I thought I was going to you.
I think it was, but I done a bit of a mad run there. Fuck me, man.
Right, come on, man. There's no team coordination happening, man. No guns passing. The goalkeeper keeps fucking leaving.
Mate, you're shouting for it, you let it go right over you. Big fucking Ebenezer Dark, whatever his name is.
Ebenezer Dark.
It's something like that, I fuck knows.
This guy's gonna be shit at goals, watch.
We got this, guys, we've got this.
What the fuck, man? You assisted that?
Ebenezer Dark scored their own goal. Like shaman.
Fucking hell, man. It wouldn't have gone in if he didn't fucking do that.
Some jiggles!
Come on,
My
man.
fault. Thanks.
Shut the fuck up.
Thank you. Thanks, mate.
This guy's fucking toxic, man. Oh, he's gonna come out of goals. Watch.
What is he doing?
Shitest guy ever, man. Get out of goals. Yes!
Oh, that's what you call football.
That's teamwork right there. That's what teamwork looks like, man. None of that shit that this Ebenezer cunt's pulling off, man. Teddy Harvest? What kind of fucking name is that?
Better harvest some goals, man. NWA.
Oh no,
Jolly.
there's a fucking
NWA
clan.
Gin.
There's a clan.
Aye, I seen that. Why the NWA?
Oh, come on, that would have been a good bang right there. The goalkeeper's not even moving.
Put too much curve on it. These are the same gloves that legendary Sam Jiggles used to wear. Never know. Aye, it's your fault.
I so lost to a fucking clan.
We lost the NWA. I mean, the only clans I've ever made is I've like created a stupid name. Like fucking Tatty Waffles are gay or something. And then it's like TWAG. And then like maybe Robbie and somebody else joins it. But it's never been a serious thing.
There was one in Halo that fucking tried recruiting me or something. They had like fucking divisions and that for like big team battle. They had like Navy for like people who did like the pilot flying and that, and then you got fucking army cunts that wanted to be in the tanks and that. It was fucking weird. It was like a full on like army military thing.
Aye.
Cunts fucking making divisions and all that up. Oh!
Oh yes!
Yes!
High five. Who am I getting it to?
Yes, man!
Yes! What? No way, Bachira would done it again.
See, when that cunt has a username like that, I just know, like, I can just predict that they're gonna be a shite goalkeeper. Shite name, shite keeper.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. I scored that goal. You did it. My man goes. I knocked that out that bastard's horn and he still kicked it somehow. How you in goals now? What happened?
I don't know.
What's happened to this round?
I don't know. It just fucking happened. Please. Please.
Just
Fucking
him in here!
hell! No way!
No way! Slid him in there! That cunt must be so fucking gutted.
Overtime and I'm in goals!
Overtime, baby! Fucking arsehole took the ball off me again. That's twice I've nearly scored a goal for the halfway line and some fucking idiots took the ball off me on my own team.
Oh, fuck!
You know what? We done well. Right, who we got? August Cooley Barley and 18 JPEG.
Teddy Harvest is back.
That fucking bastard in the enemy team's back. It was this cunt that scored as well, this guy we don't like.
No.
Actual Hinks is amazing, mate. We're in silver. Calm down. I know I'm shite and I'm in silver, but this cunt's in silver and all. So calm down.
I'm in gold, what's that say about me?
That's what that says about you! That's why we signed him! This cunt must be on a Smurf account with cheats.
Oh, what? Who is this ginger bitch? The fuck?
Should be banned for playing online, the bastard. That's amazing.
It bounced right back as well. Right. I thought I didn't get it.
You shouted bang!
Oh no. I'm gonna try my luck at this point. Fuck off, August. Fuck!
No way.
I don't know why I gave him goals. I should have just stayed in. He was filling at my face like, sorry, sorry, sorry. He obviously wanted it, but he didn't want it enough.
If fucking Xenosi's there again, I'm actually going to jump out my window he'd first, I think.
Aye. Oh, he's fuck! Oh, the ginger bastard's fucking on our team again. Oh no! August is on the other. Oh, fuck off! May as well fucking jump out the window now.
And dime bags AFK.
Dick Van Dyke, wake up! Oh fucking! Is it this bastard again? Oh fuck! I'm fed up with this cunt, man.
Mate, it's the real life fucking whatever his name is, Bachira for Blue Lock. Get this guy to fuck.
Bang!
Oh.
Bang! Oh. I'm gonna keep doing it, man. What? The fuck? Right, I'm glad I recorded that. I'm keeping that one. The fuck was that? Oh fuck.
Oh, that was a bad pass off of me.
Oh, what the fuck? Right.
What you doing with that guy? You playing with him?
I don't know what the fuck happened there.
Why should I pass to you? That's why. You're not getting a good job off any cunt, look at you. Cause you're a selfish wee ginger twat. You JPEG cunt. We pasty Kestis, get to fuck. I fucking like that actor, I know. Right, we're going to put the Bang trilogy on pause for about 20 years. And then we'll come out with the Bang Awakens or something. I don't know.
Let's have this game
I'm
still
fucking-
standing in 20 years.